Nisa Mbolavinaka, and good morning to you all. I'm deeply honored to present here this morning with chiefs, district representatives of this province, and members of the Nadroga Navosa Provincial Council Office to launch the Navosa Province One Man, One Tree, One Day program. The Nadroga Navosa Province has today taken a huge step and paved the way for the 13 provinces in Fiji by allocating a tree planting day, whereby it will see a total of 33 villages situated in 5 districts with an estimated population of 10,000 people planting 1 or more trees today. This is the first province in Fiji to take this tree planting initiative in a big scale. Congratulations and thank you, Nadroga Navosa. On the outset, I'm happy to announce that Fiji has collectively planted over 1 million trees and mangroves within a period of 10 months. And on behalf of the Fijian government, I wish to thank His Excellency the President, Major General Retired Chochi Konusi Konrote, for launching Fiji's tree planting initiative in January 2019, and for continuing to champion tree planting in virtually all the places he has visited around the country. This is one of the national initiatives that His Excellency continues to promote, including the reduction of non-communicable diseases and the increase in backyard gardening. I also acknowledge the participation of the United Nations Secretary General, Antonio Guterres, who planted a Drautambua tree which is endemic to Fiji and critically endangered, with approximately only 500 trees left in its natural habitat. I also thank the various foreign dignitaries who also planted trees for Fiji. Government wishes to thank the Vanua and the landowners in all the 14 provinces for giving their land and agreeing to actively participate in Fiji's tree planting initiative. A special acknowledgement to the private sector, including numerous companies, financial institutions, education institutions, civil society organizations, faith-based organizations, international and regional development partners, and individuals for their tremendous support. Fiji's tree planting initiative is an investment in our country, especially in our environment as a climate change adaptation and mitigation strategy. It is an investment in biodiversity and our economy. Importantly, it is an investment in your youth and children, the future of our beloved nation. We all know that without a habitable planet for our children to inherit, all our work to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals will be futile. But by working together and finding common ground for the future of our nation and the world, we will win this greatest battle of our lives over climate change and leave a legacy we can all be proud of. This initiative, which started out as 4 million trees in 4 years, has now increased to 20 million trees per year for the next 15 years after our Prime Minister, the Honorable Borenge Bainimarama's recent announcement at the World Wildlife Fund Leaders for Nature and People event in Newark in September that Fiji has the opportunity to plant around 30 million trees in the next 10 to 15 years. The world in this grip of a climate emergency, and we are living in an era of climate change. Scientists say we have entered an era of human-caused mass extinction. We cannot sit idly by and do nothing, as we are powerless to act. We can act, and we must act now. Forests must be worth more alive and thriving than when they are indiscriminately burned for short-term economic gain. Healthy forests act as a carbon sink, thus capturing more than 20% of the emission reduction required to hit our temperature's goal. Rehabilitating our forests can ensure that agricultural systems remain full of soil and nutrients required to provide food security. Trees that will be planted by the Nadroga and Navosa province today will definitely reduce soil erosion and siltation, and they will certainly offset some of our carbon output and help in our efforts to mitigate against climate change. Almost 30% of our total landmass is degraded landscape. These landscapes are without trees due to deforestation for various reasons. Some of these landscapes are predominantly covered with grass and are more prone to burning. This is common in the drier part of the islands. Replanting of trees in these areas will provide significant benefits, both environmentally and economically. As a nation, we all have a collective responsibility to explore avenues to address climate change because climate change will affect us all. It has no boundaries. I commend the province of Nadroga and Navosa, the Vanua, its chiefs, and its people for being the first province in Fiji to take a lead role in addressing climate change and building climate-resilient communities. Ladies and gentlemen, as the Minister for Forestry, it is inspiring to see that the people of Fiji are developing a deeper appreciation for the value of trees and forests in addressing environmental issues and contributing to their socio-economic development. And I would like to appeal to and encourage the other provinces in Fiji to contribute to our national tree planting initiative. This initiative is ours, and together we can grow our future and that of our children. And thank you.